Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a Ram 1500 Rebel. I'm going to show you how to use the navigation on your computer screen here. If it looks like this style, it's really a great setup. Works really good. I'm just going to focus on the navigation, a real quick tutorial. So you have comfort here, media, and I'll do another video on this, and navigation. You hit navigation, and then you go up to the top. It says enter an address. Now you usually have to be in a parked position for this to work. And we're gonna do, you could put Walmart, you could put an address. We're gonna go, let's see, we'll say 181800. I made a mistake. Say 1500 space Market Street. As you're doing it, it's searching, it's trying to figure it out. And I was going to do Philadelphia, PA, and there it is. And I hit that. And then make sure you go to drive. You got to confirm it, drive. And it'll give you a map to that location. And you can start off. It's loading up right now. And that's it. You're set up. You start going. And when you're done, you just hit en route. If you're in the middle and you change your mind where you want to go, just hit en route. And it'll confirm it. And that's it. Now, the only other problem I had was when I did the navigation on my phone, and I had Bluetooth to the computer screen here. It'll keep staying on, announcing turn here, turn there, until you shut your phone off or the Bluetooth off on your phone and cancel the route on your phone. That's how it's done on this computer monitor screen on the Ram 1500 pickup.